Hi, we're gonna go through a firmware update in the new vibration sensors. The instructions can be found on this web page over here, and we'll just give a quick demo and see how it goes. So to do that, you will need a USB to serial. You can use any USB to serial you want. We do make it with a USB serial, which will make it easy to do. It will look like this. A USB port and a white connector, Molex connector. The connector is facing towards this direction, upwards, you can say. You will need to install the drivers from Scilab. I recommend installing the VCP Virtual COM port Windows driver. Once you install the driver and you connect the programmer to your computer and you will connect the will see it will come as a virtual COM port. In my case, it is port 16. If you don't see the port 16, it means the drivers are not installed correctly and you need to give it a retry again. Once you will go ahead and download the firmware. Before we do that, let me show you a couple of things. This is at this point, initially when we built it, you will see this connector's position right now is facing upwards. It might be in some units which were earlier and older units, it might be facing this side. In that case, what you will do is you will need to take this white connector from here, this white connector from here, and you will need to flip it 180 degree. So this is a plastic covering. You can a little bit throw some heat on it. It will come really loose really quick, and then you flip it other way around and it will be facing this side. Once that done, you can use a white cable 5-pin, which will go from here to here. Okay. If you don't do that, you will see. So we'll use this GitHub link to download the latest firmware from here. And then we'll unzip the file and will look like this. One thing you do need to keep in mind that your path cannot have any spaces in between. I already downloaded this file, so in my case it will look like this, and as you can see there are no spaces and path is as short as possible. Once you have all this done, you will go ahead and run this, and it will ask for the port number. In my case the port number was port 16. I'll enter that. Now you have to put the board into a bootloader mode. To do that, you will hold the C button and then press and release the R button. Once you do that, the unit will go into boot loading mode and it will start showing this thing. It will erase the old firmware and will load the new one. So we'll keep going now. Once it's done, you will press the enter and the device will get rebooted and you will see it will start working. That's about it. Thank you.